Hello, Girl Guide Emily here and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, it is a little bit windy, but today we are going to learn how to make campfire quesadillas. I think that's how you say it. This is a new recipe that we want to try with the guides on camp, so we thought we would trial it here first. And then if it's successful, it is going to be a little treat on camp. So we're going to make two different types of quesadillas. So we need wraps. And then marshmallows. I tried to find marshmallow fluff, I couldn't find it, so we're going to try it with mini marshmallows. And then we're going to do a strawberry and chocolate spread one and a banana and Biscoff one and see how they both turn out. So the key to this recipe is building a fire up and then knocking it down so you've got loads of hot ash. Then we're going to put this grill on top of here and cook them straight on top of that. And hopefully it will help melt the marshmallows but not burn them inside. So you start by getting a wrap and placing it down, and then we're going to cut a line a quarter of the way out, and then we're going to pretend that there's like 4 quarters in it. So in the first corner I am going to put some chocolate spread. Completely up to you how much you put on. And then in my next quarter I'm going to put strawberries. And then for my last quarter I'm going to put some mini marshmallows. There we go. Right, so then what we do is we fold it up. So we fold 1 quarter over, and then over again, and then over again, and the chocolate should help it stick together, and that is what we pop on top of the campfire. I thought I'd show you how we do a Biscoff one as well. So we're going to put a line here, and then we've got some Biscoff spread this time. So again, on the first quarter we put some Biscoff spread. And then we're going to put banana on this one. And then on the last bit we're going to put marshmallows. And then again we fold it up, so over, and do your spread last to help stick the wrap together. So as you can see, they're cooking nicely. My fire is a little bit hot, so I've put them at the far side so that they're not in the flame, they're just in the embers, and that will help them to cook. I've put the marshmallow towards the bottom because the fruit and the sauce doesn't really need any time to heat up, whereas the marshmallows do. So let's see what it looks like when it's done. So this one here is the chocolate spread and strawberries one. That is delicious. And then here I've got a Biscoff banana one. This is the strawberry chocolate marshmallow one. It is delicious. Definitely recommend it for any camp day that you do with the guides. And that is all from me today. That was a success. Please come back for more videos on different cooking things. I cook all these recipes with the guides and I just wanted to share them all with you as well. Thank you.